We rethought everything about the new Cub Cadet XT Enduro Series lawn tractors, including the way they ship to you. It takes a few quick steps to get the Cub Cadet XT tractor assembled. Let's start with the XT lawn tractor as it arrives crated. Once you unpack the XT tractor, all you need for quick assembly is a few standard tools. These include a 7/16 inch and 1/2 inch wrench, a 1/2 inch socket and extension, a 5/8 inch socket plus a 3/8 inch ratchet and extension. From here, it's 4 easy steps. First, rotate the seat and seat pan to the upright position and align the seat pan to the fender bracket. Secure the seat pan to the fender bracket using a 5/8 inch socket and 1/2 inch wrench. Next, align the hood topper to the fasteners and slide it into position until it snaps. For the third step, snap the dash topper firmly into place and then lower the hood. Now, set the steering wheel on top of the steering shaft. Using a 1/2 inch socket and 3 inch extension, secure the steering wheel with flat bottom facing down to its fixed position. Then, snap the center steering wheel cap onto the steering wheel. In 4 steps, and less than 5 minutes, the new Cub Cadet XT Enduro Series tractor is ready.